Welcome to the Insurance Brokers Podcast, Helpful Hints. Here we break down the best, most informative bits of our full-length interviews.
I know you guys at the FSB have done quite an extensive survey around this. So do you want to introduce the survey, the sorts of things you were looking at?
Yeah, of course. It's very interesting because we really got this underway at the start of the year. And at the end of the first quarter, we'd done a bit of work on the results. And they did show, as we all expected, that the hard market was having its impact on businesses and small businesses in particular. 3 out of 5 of the respondents said that their premium had risen, and over half of those people said it had risen by more than 10%. But we had some other interesting stuff as well. 30% of respondents made a point of saying that they couldn't understand their policy. 1 in 6 had to switch their cover because of availability or price, but they'd had to take a cover reduction. And then there are particular problems out there with certain classes of business and certain trades. So, even before the COVID crisis, the hard market was sort of kicked off by a bit of a crisis in the PI market. We've been sort of shouting about that since January 2020, and it still seems to be a problem. We know that the FCA are doing some work on it through my work with the Small Businesses Practitioners panel there, but it remains an issue. And then, of course, there are trade sectors that are still being hit very hard: leisure and hospitality, the care sector, entertainment, and so on. And I think the problem we have is that there are issues there that need to be resolved, and there are willing parties that want to try and help. But we just seem to have been hit by one crisis after another, don't we?
Thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed what you have heard, have any questions or feedback, please leave us a review and we will be sure to get back to you. If you would like further information on how Boston Tullis Group can support your business, or if you would like to join us on an episode, please do not hesitate to contact us.